Alright, so I'm making this video since I got a few messages from guys, and I just want to show you guys what to do and what not to do, because it's something I learned the hard way as well. And chasing women is exactly why you're getting ghosted, ignored, and stuck in the friend zone. And it's the worst possible dynamic you can create if you want women to respect you, stay attracted, and actually pursue you. And if you believe that effort is going to earn you loyalty from a woman, that's exactly why you're stuck. And most guys don't even realize they're doing it. If this is your guys' first time watching me, my name is Logan Duong, and by 21 years old, I built a personal brand that millions of guys follow and watch. I've scaled a business that lets me live life on my terms, and I've coached guys from being complete virgins who have never even kissed a girl to having rotations of women while also making $10,000 to $30,000 a month. And I've personally helped clients go from insecure, broke, or getting literally cucked by their ex to running businesses, pulling 20 plus girls, and living life how they want. I used to be simping over this one chick that I absolutely loved, and I found a way to get out of that position, not only attract her, but also attract much better quality girls. And I'm going to show you guys how to do the same, how you guys can get the girl of your dreams, and how you get her chasing you instead of her running away and you blowing up her phone and you being all butthurt all the time. So I'm going to show you guys what to do instead. And the number one thing I see is most of you guys get too excited too quickly, and when you meet a girl who's hot, gives you a little bit of attention, you're suddenly all in. You're sold, right? You like her. But here's the thing you need to understand is women don't fall in love quick. They fall in love slowly over time. And this is something I learned from my mentor, Coach Corey Wayne. And they need time. And the first few months are the initial phases where she's just figuring you out if she even likes you or not, beyond the surface attraction, right? And so during this stage, you're in a weaker position because you're already pursuing, you're the one texting first, you're setting dates, and you're trying to win her over. And you think she already knows you're into her, but in her world, she's still watching your moves, trying to figure out where you really stand, if you're doing everything correctly. But here's where most guys unknowingly blow it. You assume attention equals investment, and it doesn't, right? And if a woman sleeps, you assume that attention equals investment, and it doesn't. A woman can sleep with you and still not even like you. And that's what messes with most guys' heads and feelings, because unlike men, her feelings build slowly through time, consistency, and mystery. I know plenty of girls who are exactly this way, and many of you guys will see them as well. But emotional attachment too soon is where you give away all your power. You feel like it's going somewhere, and you start acting like she's already your girl. You prioritize her, you stop hanging out with your boys, you check your phone every 5 minutes waiting for her to respond or text you back, or you start saying shit like, I really like you, what are we, all that shit. And she feels that, and suddenly she realizes you're too available and you don't have any other options. And worst of all, you can't walk away. The thing is, girls don't want guys who are too quickly sold on them, because what you're doing is you're communicating to her. When you tell a girl, I like you, I love you, and you're the only girl I want to talk to, you would think from what we've seen in Disney movies, girls would be like, oh my god, he's the perfect guy. But then we do that in real life and it doesn't work. But why? And the reason is because that's not how girls actually work. That's not actually what triggers her emotion. Not only does it ruin the mysteriousness of her having to find out, oh, does he like me? I'm not sure. You just fucking remove the entire story. You remove the entire fun process that is dating, and you tell her and you openly say that I like you and you're the one for me, and she's like, bro, I barely even know you. That's exactly what she's thinking in her head. And not only is she dealing with 5 other guys doing the same fucking thing, you're also communicating that, thinking that you're being bold, thinking that you're standing out. All you're doing is showing your weakness. You're showing your cards too soon. And the thing is, when you do that, girls will no longer value your time and attention. You're gonna start noticing. How many times have you guys noticed after you told a girl you like her, you told a girl your feelings, how much did you start to see her attention start to dwindle? How many of you started to see her feeling and vibe towards you shifted? So even though she says she appreciates it and she says she loves the fact that you told her these things, what really ended up happening? And so you have to understand what women say and what they do are completely different things. And women are the ones who would rather be the ones to say I love you first, be the ones to ask about what are we first, because guess what that is? That's feminine energy, because feminine energy is all about nurturing and caring. And so when you tell a girl, hey, I like you, what are we, you're entering from your masculine into your feminine, and this is gonna turn feminine women off. And so when she realizes you're too available, you don't have options, but worst of all, you can't walk away, the scarcity is revealed. And when that happens, her attraction starts dying very, very quickly, because now she's got the upper hand. And women don't like to feel like they've already won. They want to chase something just out of reach, because if she senses you can't pull other women at her level, she's gonna go find a man who can, and she's gonna leave you the second she realizes that you need her more than she needs you. But let's be honest for a second. You waited hours for her to respond, even though though she's been active on social media. You've canceled plans with other people, hoping she'd want to hang out with you, and she flaked anyway. And you've caught yourself trying to fix things when she pulls away, only to get ignored even harder. And this is what chasing feels like. It's exhausting, it's emasculating, and it kills your confidence. It's literally just a downward fucking spiral. And that anxiety of in your chest, that's not love, that's loss of power. And you know it, but you're just too scared to admit it. And so instead of owning it and having the balls to walk away, you don't, because you don't believe you can find anything better. But here's the solution. How do I fix this, Logan? Well, keep watching. I'm gonna fucking help you out. You need to slow it down. You need to flip the script. You need to start treating the first 2 to 3 months with this girl like she's auditioning for a spot in your life, not the other way around. None of that Hollywood, Disney movie bullshit. Give her just enough to stay curious, but never enough to feel like she's got you. And what do I mean by that? Stop texting all day. Stop being available 24/7. Let her reach out to you. Let her wonder. Let her invest, but don't fake it either. There's a huge difference between saying you're busy doing laundry and actually choosing to hit the gym, chill with your boys, or grind on your business. Because that's what you should be doing anyways. That's what you'd probably rather be doing anyways. And she can feel the difference. So for example, I've been getting into golf lately, okay? If you like to golf, comment down below. That shit's fun as fuck. But recently, I've been going golfing, okay? Do I tell girls I'm out golfing with the boys? No, I just leave them on red for hours, and they just wonder where the fuck I've been. And then I spawn in, smelling good, happy, excited, right? That's exactly how you gotta play it. And that energy that you bring after you close a big deal, you do something successful for yourself, that's something that she can feel, right? And every time you make her work to see you, to impress you, to keep your attention, she gets more emotionally hooked and more emotionally invested, which is what you want. And guess what? That's when she starts showing up with food, cleaning your place, offering to help, and trying to prove her value to you. I'm not even joking. I have literally tens, hundreds of girls who are 10s in my DMs who are messaging me, Logan, can I be your assistant? I see how successful you are. Can I work with you? No, I already got enough. But here's the thing. The thing is, they want that, okay? And now I have girls in my orbit trying to be around me because guess what? My life is fun. My life's exciting. They get to be in the Lambo. They get to be in the Porsche. They get to be in the fucking Cybertruck, whatever it may be, okay? And they are starting to see that, oh wow, other girls who work for it get to be in these things, get to have fun with Logan. And so you kind of have to build your life in a certain way, and that's something you guys are interested in. Obviously, I can show you guys how to do that, and that's exactly what I've shown my clients in the past. But going back to the topic, the thing is, you want her to prove her value to you. And a true high value man doesn't need her. He's got shit going on in his life. He's booked, and not because he's pretending to be, but because he's building something bigger than himself, his mission and purpose, which is what you need. He has a gym schedule, a business purpose, he has friends, he has a brotherhood. The mission is bigger than a chick. And because of that, he becomes harder to reach, harder to impress, and women feel that they respect it and they crave it. The thing is, what helped me stand out in high school from everyone else is I wasn't focused on school. I wasn't focused on getting good grades. I was focused on my business. I had a clothing brand at the time, and a lot of people know me because of this clothing brand. Actually, how I started making these videos is because we were trying to promote the clothing brand, and it was a video of me making out with some chick that I just met, and I walked up to her, started talking to her, and within 15 minutes, we started making out outside a Cane's chicken restaurant. And the goal of that video, because I was wearing the clothing, the merch that I designed at the time, the goal was to, okay, let's sell more clothing. This is gonna be dope. The video's going viral. But instead of the video getting more people to buy clothing, I actually got more people, maybe like yourself, watching this video, interested in how to get girls. But basically, me having that business and me focusing on that thing that I really wanted to grow, they respected it, they felt it, and they craved that energy I was bringing to them. It wasn't because of how I looked, none of those things. It's because of that energy. When you're focusing on what you want and you're passionate about something and you have that mission and purpose, the energy that you bring to the table is something else. Okay, that energy that you bring home after that 9 to 5 that you hate, not it, bro. And you feel it too, and you know you're not happy, okay? And this is why all guys, I think, want to try to do different things. All guys want to go explore and adventure and to go travel, do whatever the fuck, but something that they actually want to do. And I don't know what you want to do, but when you're doing something you want to do, that energy that you have doing what you want to do is exactly that energy that women want to feel. And so if you could tap into that and you can unlock that and bring that up in all aspects of your life, then that's something very, very powerful, and women are going to sense it, and you're going to be magnetically just pulling women, having women drawn to you. Because a girl doesn't want to be your whole life. She wants to fit into your life. And this is exactly why I hammer this message so hard, because most guys are stuck chasing women who don't respect them instead of becoming men who don't have to chase at all. And you don't flip that narrative by watching more videos and keep scrolling all day. Even my content's fantastic. I know it's gonna change your lives, but if that's all you do all day, you're not gonna get anywhere. You have to pull the fucking trigger. And the only way to flip the script is by getting around other winners, other like-minded men who are actually building something, actually growing their businesses, actually growing their value, attracting high-quality women, and raising their standards every single day. If you're done chasing and you're ready to become the man women she wants to lock down, then click the link down below and apply to join my mentorship. I've never done this before, but this month I have 5 open spots to apply and join my mentorship program. And this mentorship program is where you're gonna get one-on-one time with me, and you're gonna be able to work with my team, and we're gonna help you accomplish whatever aspect of life you want to be successful in. But we mainly focus on health, wealth, and relationships. If that's something you guys want to be successful in, either you guys want to start making 10, 20, 30K a month, or you want to start learning how to get better with women, how to stop being so fucking fearful and scared, you guys want to lose your virginities, whatever it may be, or you just want to have more experiences in life with other like-minded guys, I highly, highly suggest to go apply to this mentorship. And even if you guys don't make it into this one, maybe there might be an opening in the future. But hey, we're gonna see how many guys actually pull the trigger and actually how many guys take action. So if that's something you're interested in, you want to get mentored from me directly, you want to learn how to become successful, you want to learn how to become the top 0.1% of men on this planet, click the link down below in the description of this video, and I will see you there.